through the WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp number. You can send me your number. Yes or no? So in class we cannot discuss about the solution, my dear. We do not have that much time. Now E part, chalo, E. E we have done. Add the following. हाँ हाँ रो okay. Ashok Mali is from which class, my dear? Anybody has any idea? हाँ हाँ B class. He is not. हाँ 1 minute. Ashok Mali, what is your roll number? B division. Ashok Mali. And you join with the proper ID, my dear. Next time I will not admit. Ashok Mali, tell me your roll number. If you do not tell me the roll number, my dear, I will mark you absent. The first thing 16. चलो ठीक है. Anyhow, चलो that I will. that I will check. That I will check. Mute the microphone. चलो. चलो ठीक है. Exercise 2.2. Let us start. Recording has started. So mute the microphone. Recording has started. So mute the microphone. 2.2. Third one. Add the following. Third one. Add the following. Add the following. In that we have done up to E part. Correct? Now F is. Mute the microphone. F minus 416. Minus 416. Comma 386. Minus 416, 386. And minus 419. We have to add this number. Okay. So add the following means you have to write down plus sign between them. So minus 416 plus 386, then plus minus 419. Add the following means you have to write down plus sign between the numbers. Now let us see. Let us first solve these two. And in addition, I have explained you, whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number, take the common sign. And whenever they have different sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number, take the sign of bigger number. Now let us see the sign. This is 416 minus sign, 386 plus sign. So they have opposite sign, no my dear. So whenever they have opposite sign, what you will do? Whenever they have opposite sign, what you will do? You will subtract. So 416 minus 386. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. Minus and plus opposite sign, you have to subtract. So 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Then 11 minus 8 is 3. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is 30. But which number is bigger? Which number is bigger? 416. What is what is sign of that? Minus. So we write minus 30. We write minus 30. Then this number I will carry it as it is, plus minus 419. So now this is minus 30. And this I have explained you, whenever two signs are together, not plus, my dear. Whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply the sign. So plus into minus, plus into minus, plus into minus, sign, plus into minus, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. So minus 419. Now again we check. 30 is having minus sign, 419 is having minus sign. So these two numbers, they have same sign. Same sign. So whenever they have same sign, yes. So now same sign, same sign. Minus minus same sign I have written. Minus minus same sign. Whenever you have same sign, you have to add the number. Mute the microphone. Background disturbances are there. Mute the microphone. Some bird noise is coming. Mute the microphone. So minus minus same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Common sign, minus minus common sign is minus. And add the number. 30 plus 419 is 449. Answer is minus 449. Because whenever they have same sign, minus minus, I have to add the number and take the common sign, minus minus minus, Add the number. 30 plus 419 is 449. Not minus minus. Minus minus you will say add. Minus minus add the number. Now G is minus 14, minus 16 and minus 15. This I am giving homework. G part. Okay. Then H minus 19, minus 41, 36 and 67. There are 4 numbers, so this I will do. So let me add all these numbers. So that is minus 19. Let me add minus 19. leave 4 line. Chalo 4, 5, 6 line. Minus 19 plus no, it is clear. Minus 41 plus 36 plus 67. You have to add. Add means you have to write on plus sign between the numbers. Now let us solve these two first. Now their two signs are multiplied together. Their two signs are multiplied. So this is minus 19. I am solving H part. Add the following. Now plus, whenever it is clear, my dear, whenever two signs are together, plus and minus, we have to multiply the sign. So plus into minus, minus 41. Other number we keep as it is, 36 plus 67. Let us solve first these two. Minus 19 and minus 41. Minus minus, they have same sign. So whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. So 19 plus 41 is 60 and common sign is minus. Plus 36 plus 67. These two we write as it is. Now we solve these two. This is minus sign, this is plus sign. So they have opposite sign. Minus sign and plus sign, they have opposite sign, no? 60 has minus sign, 36 has plus sign. So they are opposite sign, minus and plus. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract the smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. Whenever the given two integers have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. Yes, my dear? Arey, my dear, no, first I am solving these two, no. These two I am writing as it is. First I am solving this type. First I have solved these two I have kept as it is. Now, yes. Now minus and plus, opposite sign. So you have to subtract 60 minus 36. 60 minus 36. 60 minus 36. 10 minus 6, 4. Then 5 minus 3, 2. 24. Now which number is bigger? 60 is bigger. What is sign of that? Minus. So minus 24. Minus 24 plus 67. Now again you check whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Minus and plus, opposite sign. So whenever you have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. 67 is bigger. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. 43. So answer is 43. Answer is 43. Which number is bigger? 67. What is sign of? Plus 43 is same as 43. Plus 43 is same as 43. So our answer is 43. Okay? Yes? No, my dear, screen is clear. You see the adjustment of your phone. Answer is 43. My dear, our side everything is clear. You see the adjustment of your phone. Fourth one, chalo. Fourth one, find the value of the following. Fourth one, find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. Fourth one, find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. Okay. Minus 8 Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. Okay, we'll see each one of them. Find the value of the following. So in addition, you have to be careful. Whenever they have same sign, add the number, take the common sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you subtract the number, take the sign of bigger number. Minus 50, yes. Now, yes, correct. Now next it is add the following: minus 8 plus 4, minus 8 plus 4, plus, you see the adjustment, because my dear, the thing will get then. चलो ठीक है. Okay. Plus minus 5 plus 3 plus 3. You have to add this number. So always add the number from left side. Let us see. Minus 8 has minus sign and 4 has plus sign. So they have no, not number line. Do not make number line. Now we use the concept of addition and subtraction of integers without number line. 8 is having minus sign, 4 is having plus sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. 8. चलो ठीक. Now it is clear. चलो right. 8 minus 4 is 4. Which number is bigger? 8 is bigger. What is sign of that? Minus 4. Minus 4. Then these two number I will write as it is. Plus minus 5. Plus 3. Okay. 8 minus 4 is 4. Minus 4. Mute the microphone, my dear. Now let us see these two. These two signs are multiplied. Plus and minus. Whenever two signs are multiplied, you have to multiply the sign. Plus into minus minus. So this becomes minus 4. Then plus into minus is minus 5. Plus 3. Now let us see. What is sign of these two? Minus sign, minus sign. So they have same sign. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Common sign minus will be minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3. Now again two signs are multiplied. Two signs are together, plus. So you have to multiply the sign. Plus into plus. So that will be minus 9 plus 3. Now whether they have same sign or opposite sign? Opposite sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. Which number is bigger? 9. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 6. Minus 6 is the answer. Minus 6 is the answer. Okay. Minus 6 is the answer. So in addition and subtraction of integers, you have to be careful. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number, take the common sign. And whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract the number, take the sign of bigger number. Second thing, whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply the two signs. Plus into plus into minus into plus minus into minus plus. For sign I am talking about. But in addition, minus will be add the number, take the common sign minus. Plus add the number, take the common sign plus. That's all. Now B part 38 plus minus 3, 38 plus minus 3 plus minus 68 plus minus 68 plus minus 7 plus minus 7 minus 68 plus minus 7. Let us solve this. Okay. Now these two signs are together. Plus and minus. So plus into minus will be minus. So 38 minus 3. These two signs are together. So plus into minus will be minus. We write minus 68 these two signs are together, plus into minus will be minus 7. Okay, so whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply the sign. Plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. Okay, let us solve this. Now what is sign of 38? Sign of 38 is plus. No sign means plus sign. And sign of 3 is minus. Opposite sign. They are opposite sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, what you will do? You will subtract. So 38 minus 3 is 35. Which number is bigger? 38. What is sign of that? Plus. So plus sign we don't write. Then it is minus 68. You can write plus 35, no problem. Minus 7. Now again 35 is having plus sign, 68 is having minus sign. Again they have opposite sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. So 68 is bigger. 68 minus 35. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 33. Which number is bigger? 68 is bigger. What is sign of that? Minus. So minus 33. Then this will be minus 7. Again you check whether they have same sign, opposite sign. Minus, minus. Same sign. So same sign, you will add the number. Not 40, my dear. Not 40. You have to add the number and take the common sign. Take the common sign. Add the number. Minus, minus, same sign. Add the number. 33 plus 7, 40. So common sign of minus, minus, common sign, minus 40. Answer is minus 40. Answer is minus 40. Okay. So my dear, in mathematics, sign matters. If you write plus 40, your answer will be wrong. So minus, minus, same sign, add the number, take the common sign minus. Plus, plus, same sign, add the number, take the common sign plus. Yes. So now, yes, mute the microphone. Let me write all the problem. Mute the microphone. Now C is minus 10 plus 82, minus 10 plus 82 plus 94 plus minus 14. This I am giving homework. C part. Okay, you can do it easily. Let us see D part. D minus 425 plus 325 plus 100 plus minus 100 plus minus 100. This also I am giving homework, easy part, you can do it. Now E minus 163 join. Yes, minus 163 plus 192 plus 192 plus 192 plus 163 plus 192 plus 163. So these are all homework. My dear, minus and plus opposite signs. So 163 minus 163, this will become 0. Okay? Mute the microphone. Now next is, let us start. Om Dixit. Okay. Mute the microphone. Otherwise I have to remove. Let me remove. Yes, 1 minute. Let me remove. No, my dear. Okay. I have removed Om Dixit. No problem. Chalo. Because in spite of that, if you are not pay attention, I have. Now, if again disturbance will come, I will remove. Om Dixit I have removed. So now fifth one, fill in the blanks. You have to mute the microphone because if background disturbances are there, you have to mute the microphone. My dear. Fill in the blanks. First, minus 8 plus which number is equal to minus 8? Means minus 8, you have added which number so that you get the same number, that is 0. Whenever we add 0 to any number, you get the same number. Whenever you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. Okay? So B part, 12 plus minus 16 is equal to dash plus 12. So in mathematics, minus 16. Because whether you add A to B or B to A, you will get the same answer, minus 16. So why? See the reason. In mathematics, A plus B is same as B plus A. Whether you add A to B or B to A, you will get the same answer. Okay, so answer is minus 16 plus 12. Yes, so this property is known as commutative property. This property is known as commutative property. So addition is commutative. So by commutative property, whether you add A to B or B to A, you will get the same answer. So A plus B is same as B plus A in mathematics. You can see the video afterwards. A plus B is same as B plus A. Yes, my dear. Every day I am sending the video. Is equal to B plus A. Write down whatever I am writing on the board, that those things should be written. Then C part, we have bigger bracket, minus 4 plus 7 in the bigger bracket plus minus 2 is equal to 1 minute, is equal to plus bigger bracket 7 plus minus 2. 7 plus minus 2, minus 4. Why? Because see this property is known as, see, bigger bracket A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C, you can shift the bracket. That will be A plus B plus C. This property is known as associative property. This property is known as associative property. So by associative property, you can shift the bracket. Earlier the bracket was between A and B. Now the bracket is between B and C. We have shifted the bracket. So by associative property, you can shift the bracket. Okay? So shifting of brackets is known as associative property. So you can shift the bracket. Earlier it was between A and B. You shift the bracket. Now it is between B and C. The value will not change. Then D part is minus 72. B part minus 72 plus 72 is equal to, yes. Now see here, what is additive? What is minus 72? Minus 72 is additive inverse. Yes. Minus 72 is additive inverse. Who told time is up? Our period is up to 10:30, Mike. 10 minutes are remaining. Yes. So whoever is telling time is over, I can remove. Yes. So additive inverse is minus 72. So whenever any integer is added to additive inverse, you will get 0. Answer is 0. Minus 72 plus 72 will be 0. then E dash is the identity element of addition. Dash is the identity element of addition. Which is the identity element of addition? Identity element means that number you add to the given number, the value does not change. Which number we add? 0. So 0 is the identity element of addition, because we know a plus 0 is same as a. Whenever we add 0 to the, yes, write down. So 0 is my identity element. 0 is identity element of addition, because whenever we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. So 0 is additive. 0 is identity element of the addition. 0 is identity element of the addition, because whenever we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. So whenever you add any integer to identity element 0, you get the same number. Now, sixth one, replace box by replace box by greater than, less than, or equal to sign. Replace box by greater than, less than, or equal to signs. Now let us see the first one. A. F is not there. Okay, F is there. F is there. Let me write F. Chalo, let me write F. Let me write F below. F is the identity element of addition. Okay, the negative of absolute value. Okay, F. The negative of absolute of -3. The negative of absolute of -3. Wait, no, my dear. You write down the negative of absolute of. I have written a plus 0. A plus 0 is equal to a. Wait, my dear. The negative of absolute of -3. Negative means minus. Then absolute means vertical bracket. Vertical bracket means absolute of which number? -3. So negative means minus outside, then absolute value of -3. Yes. So now what is absolute value of -3? We have seen absolute value bracket. Whether number is positive or negative, its absolute value is positive, 3. So absolute value of -3 is 3, but because of this minus sign, it is minus. So answer is -3. Answer is -3. You can, my dear, you leave 2 line and see the video, no? Leave 2 line. I am sending the video, no? F was left. F I did. F. Fill in the blank. 5th question. F was left. Now we will do 6th one. Replace box by greater than, equal to, less than, or equal to signs. Replace box by greater than, less than, or equal to signs. Now first question A. -3 plus 6. -3 plus 6. -3 plus bracket 6. Okay. Then there is a box. -3 plus -6. Okay. -6. Then there is a box. -8 plus 4. -8 plus 4. Let us see. Let us simplify this side. See here. This is plus and minus. Whenever 2 signs are together, you have to multiply. So this becomes -3 plus into minus, -6. Now whether they have same sign or opposite sign, same sign or opposite, same sign, same, same sign. So you have to add and take the common sign. So 6 plus 3, 9, and minus minus minus. Answer is minus 9, this side. Let us see the value of this side. This is minus 8 and this is plus 4. Same sign or opposite sign? Opposite sign you have to subtract. Opposite sign you have to subtract. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Then which number is bigger? 8. Minus 4 is the answer. Now see. Now this answer is minus 9. This answer is minus 4. I have told you whenever both wait, no, let me speak. Whenever two integers are whenever two integers are negative, then the number which is bigger will be smaller. If both are negative, then whichever number will be bigger, that will be smaller integer. 9 is bigger, so this is a smaller integer. So I will get minus 9 is less than minus 4, this side. Minus 4 will be bigger, okay? So in negative integer, if the number is bigger, the integer will be smaller. Everything is clear, my dear. Yes. Join, no problem. Then B part, minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4, minus why? Minus 4 plus 2. What is the problem with it? Minus 4 plus 2. Wait with minus 6 plus minus 1. Minus 6 plus minus 1. Okay, let us see which is number. Minus 4, then plus 2. They have same sign or opposite sign? Opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. Which number is bigger? 4. Sign of that minus. So answer is minus 2. Let us solve this side. Now these two signs are together, plus and minus. I have to multiply. So this is minus 6 plus into minus 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 1. Now you tell me whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Same sign. So whenever they have same sign, you have to add. 6 plus 1, 7. Minus minus common sign minus. Answer is minus 7. This is minus 2. This is minus 7. Both are negative. So whichever 7 is so 7 is bigger number. So minus 7 will be smaller integer. So you will get minus 2 is greater than minus 7. This will be. Then C part. Yes, mute the microphone. C part. Minus 5 plus minus 2. Minus 5 plus minus 2 bracket box. Minus 4. No, don't tell me the answer. Minus 4 plus minus 3. Because I have to solve now, my dear. Chalo, ठीक है. Let us see. Minus 5 plus into minus minus 2. Same sign or opposite sign? Same sign. So 5 plus 2, 7. Minus 7. Minus 7 is the answer. Minus 4. Then plus into minus minus 3. Same sign. Add minus 7. So minus 7, they are equal. Minus 7, they are equal. So 1 minute is left, so I am able to see 1 minute is left. Yes, why you are reminding me? Yes, you are seeing the watch, you are not paying attention. No, my dear, that means you are, because see, you are not, minus 9 plus 4, then box, minus 4 plus 9. Let us see which number is bigger, which number is smaller. So you have to solve left hand side, you have to solve right hand side, and then accordingly you have to decide. Okay. Now we'll see. This is minus 9 plus into plus will be plus 4. Now minus 9 and 4, this is minus, this is plus, opposite sign. Wait now, my dear. Let me take 1 minute. Opposite sign. So 9 minus 4, subtract 5. Which number is bigger? Minus 5. 9 is bigger, minus sign. This is minus 4, then plus into plus plus. Again they have again they have opposite sign. So you have to subtract minus and plus opposite sign. Subtract 9 minus 4, 5. Which number is bigger? 9. What is sign of that? Plus. So plus 5 or 5. So positive number is bigger than negative number. 5, 5. But this is positive. So this will be bigger. This side it will be bigger. Okay. So now it is 10:31. We stop here. So this complete our 6th question. Bye, bye, bye. Bye everybody. Bye, bye, bye.